delivering some sweet treats. A class at Hilton and Island High School started the Seahawk Cookie Company.
I love them making cookies.
Thank you so much.
Cookie.
Once a week, the students bake, package, and sell fresh cookies to teachers around the school. This student-run business is helping the kids develop valuable life skills they need for the future, one cookie at a time.
They're learning customer service skills, they're learning math skills. A lot of our kids are nonverbal, so we are working on simple things such as just saying good morning and thank you.
They're learning several skills. First of all, is just the skill of being able to get out and walk around and interact with other students and teachers. So they're learning social skills. When we're doing the packaging, they are putting correct number of cookies in the packaging. So there's multiple steps of the process that the kids are learning.
With their cookie cart, designed by the school's art department, the students go from classroom to classroom, delivering their tasty treats.
They have added sprinkling lights on it and decorated it beautifully. We get comments about the cart just as much as we get comments about the cookies, and the kids really enjoy it.
Thank you.
Teachers love buying the cookies and supporting the students as they bring a little sweetness to the halls of the high school.
It's amazing. The entire school has really come together and supported us, and they buy tons of cookies, and the kids have enjoyed baking and packaging them and delivering them.
The Seahawk Cookie Company makes and delivers the cookies every Friday. At Hilton and Island High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.